Hi guys, this is Josh here, and for today's video guys, I'm going to show you on how to connect and set up your Mafam MX5 Smartwatch. Let's go! Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Josh here, and for today's videos, I'm going to show you on how to set the time and also connect your Mafam MX5 Smartwatch to your smartphone, and also change the watch face. So guys, all we just have to do is we're going to go to our Play Store, and all we have to do is we're going to look for Wear Fit Pro. Okay, and we just have to install that one, Wear Fit Pro. Okay, it is now installing guys. Now let's tap open. Okay, so we are now in our Wear Fit Pro application. Okay, let's tap on agree, open Wear Fit Pro, log in. So in our case guys, is you really have to register your email and also your password. So if you want to register, just tap on this upper right part. Okay, and you can register especially to the area where you live. Okay, and you can get the verification code as well. So in my case, I already registered guys, so let me just log in. Alright guys, so I already logged it in using my email address, so you can turn it on. The notifications. Okay, your tap Wear Fit Pro, click on allow. Okay, so this is now the home of the Wear Fit Pro application guys. So in the home section, there are steps, blood pressure, history, SpO2, heart rate, sleep, weight, and your sports record, fatigue, effective activity, and for the exercise section guys, you can see there like the area where you walked or run and cycle and also climb. Okay, and in the me section, so you will have your name, your personal information, your data, yes, and all, and health report. So now guys, let's tap on device. Okay, so in this case guys, it has detected our NB plus, so let's remove that one because that's not what we are trying to connect. So let's tap add device, turn on GPS. Okay, and allow. Okay, it is now searching guys, as you can see. So guys, it has detected our MX5 smartwatch, so let's tap on that one, and it says they're pairing, carry out. Alright, that's it guys, we have already connected our Mafam MX5 smartwatch. So guys, as you can see, as we connect the smartwatch, the time is also set guys. So in our phone, it's 8:03, and it's also the same with our Mafam MX5. Now guys, if you want to change the watch face, below the MX5 device, there is watch faces there. So you just tap on more. Okay, so as you can see, unfortunately, not all watch faces are free. Then in here, like, you need to pay $1. Yes, and we can choose the one with no payment. Yes, so okay, actually guys, there are some free watch faces here. For example, this Superhero 2. So let's tap installation, click allow. Okay, this is more like Iron Man funny face. So tap on download, it's downloading and installing. So as you can see in our MX5, it has this kind of arrow up. It means that it is uploading. Okay, so as you can see guys, watch face is already changed. Now guys, you can also set the weather reports there if you want to be notified, and notifications guys, if you want to be notified with your social media accounts, then you can also turn it on in here, like your phone, SMS, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. So sadly guys, only those applications are supported. So hopefully they can add on their updates later on. Okay, there's also health remind, like sedentary reminder or drink water reminder. There will be also taking pictures. If you want to capture remotely, then you can also do so. And there's also find device there, and there's other settings, so you can change to 24-hour clock to 12 hours. So in our case, I want the 12-hour format, so we can choose this one. And you can also choose an hourly automatic measurement, and favorite contacts you can add guys. We have their troubleshooting. Okay, there is also firmware upgrade. Okay, so we have the current version. Alright, restore factory settings, delete current device. Okay, and I think that is all guys for the connection of our MX5 smartwatch. Okay, so if you have any questions guys, please leave a comment down below. And also, if you like this video guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Okay, and also kindly click the notification bell so that you will be updated if we have latest uploads in our channel. Okay, so once again guys, this is Josh, and I will see you on our next video.